and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and I make videos on dollar store DIYs, Cricut crafts, organization, and bullet journaling. In today's video, I will be sharing some DIY Valentine's Day decor items using supplies from Dollar Tree. I'd love if you would subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get crafting. For the first Valentine's DIY, I'm going to be ironing a heart-shaped applique made out of ribbon onto a tea towel. I'm using this Heat & Bond Ultra Hold I got at Walmart, along with some ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and this tea towel is also from Dollar Tree. I'm measuring a section of the tea towel to see how big I want the heart to be. The Heat & Bond has two sides to it. One side is textured and the other side is smooth paper. I'm drawing a heart on the paper side, and now I'm cutting out pieces of ribbon that are the length of the heart. I'm arranging the ribbon pieces onto the heart just to see how I want to lay everything out and if I need more ribbon pieces or not. And now I'm cutting out the heart shape. I found it kind of tricky to keep the ribbon in place on the ironing board, so I'm putting all of the pieces face down onto the ironing board, and then I'm keeping it in place with some duct tape. And now I'm placing the heart shape on top of the ribbons with the paper side facing up. And now using my iron, I'm pressing down onto the Heat & Bond and holding it for maybe 3 or 4 seconds at a time. And once the adhesive side of the Heat & Bond has secured itself to the ribbons, I'm peeling off the paper layer. Now I'm trimming the excess ribbon from around the heart. I've placed the heart onto the tea towel, and I'm doing the same thing with the iron as before, just placing it on top of the heart and holding it for 3 or 4 seconds at a time, and making sure I'm getting all the areas of the heart down so it's stuck to the tea towel. And this is our finished Valentine's tea towel with the heart. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to be using one of these picture frames, a Valentine's gift bag, a wooden heart, some ribbon, and white acrylic paint. To start off, I'm painting the heart white. And I'm also painting the frame white, and I end up doing a couple of coats on both the frame and the heart. I'm using the photo frame insert as a guide for how big I want to cut out the gift bag, because the gift bag is going to be going inside of the frame. I'm gluing the white heart on top of the gift bag and then adding a red ribbon to cover up the hole on the heart. I'm now adding the piece of the gift bag into the frame, and you can see I have to fold it over a little bit, so my cutting wasn't exactly precise, but that's okay. And this is our simple Valentine's art. You could easily customize this to any colors you wanted. If you had some Valentine's wrapping paper, you could use that instead of a gift bag. And I think this is a really fun DIY. This last Valentine's DIY is kind of a mix of the previous two, in that we're going to be making a heart with ribbons, but it's also going to be a framed art decoration piece. I'm using another picture frame from Dollar Tree, along with the same wooden heart and ribbon I've used in the previous projects. To start with, I'm using the photo frame insert to cut out a rectangle. I'm using some heavy white paper. You could also use white cardstock if you wanted to, and then I'm cutting that out. I cut out strips of the ribbon, and now I'm gluing them onto the wooden heart with some hot glue. I made sure to lay the ribbon pieces onto the heart ahead of time so I know how many I need and where exactly I want to position them. and now I'm cutting off the excess ribbon from the heart. There were a couple of kind of jagged edges sticking out that were difficult to cut with scissors, so I'm hot gluing them down. Probably if you had an X-Acto knife or something like that, it might be easier to get a clean cut around the heart. I'm now gluing the heart onto the white piece of paper. Then sticking that inside the frame, and we're done. I decided to leave this frame gold because I liked how it looked, but if you wanted to paint it a different color, you totally could. Or if you wanted to use less traditional colors for the heart, that could look really nice too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed all of these Dollar Tree Valentine's Day DIYs. I have some more Valentine's Day DIY videos coming your way, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on all the notifications so you know when I post those videos. And I'll see you next time.